What's up everyone, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome back to another Bangkok travel vlog. Time check guys, it's currently 11:30 in the morning and it is sunny here in Bangkok. Kagabi medyo maulan, that's why hindi tayo masyado nakalabas. So for today's video guys, we are going to try some Michelin star restaurant and shops here in Bangkok. But let me tell you, you don't need to go far from Siam if you want to taste and experience some of these restaurant or shops. So again guys, I am staying sa Lovely Bangkok, Siam, mismong sa baba ng National Stadium, BTS station, and we are now heading to their Sky Bridge or Skywalk. Wait lang agal na karon naman ito. So ayan, there's a lot of covered areas here. May parang mga sila, pa-roof. Ayan. Wait. Alright guys, check this out. I came all the way from there sa Lovely Bangkok, Siam. And as you can see, this is the National Stadium BTS station. So nandito ako sa kanilang Sky Bridge guy or Skywalk. Check the surroundings, check this one, check the view. For sure guys, sa iba na nakapunta na sa Bangkok, sobrang familiar tong place na to, but here we are. Just for your information guys, there is one mall that has over 10 plus Michelin restaurant. So I'm gonna show you around first, then we will go to that mall and I'll tell you what mall it is. So right now guys, I am currently standing here at the Sky Bridge or Skywalk in between National BTS station, which is over there, and Siam BTS station, which is over there. So now here on this spot, I am surrounded by different malls guys, which is connected to each other, and one museum. If you are going to stay guys in a hotel or hostel, syempre one of the things that you need to consider is the location itself. And Lovely Bangkok, Siam guys is so near, very near sa mga malls na to. So you can just walk, take the Skywalk, then interchange to from National BTS station to Siam station. So yeah. O diba? Nakaka-amaze guys. So let me introduce to you first the MBK Center. MBK Center guys is open from 10 AM to 10 PM. This is a big and famous shopping mall right outside the BTS National Stadium, and they've been offering the people of Bangkok a wide range of exciting goods and services under one roof in the heart of Bangkok for many years. And recently lang guys, they've reorganized their Bangkok shopping malls into zones that each offer greater convenience, variety, and an overall better shopping experience for their many visitors. And these zones consist of supermarket and convenience store, mobile and IT zone, dining zone, service zone, home solution zone, may entertainment zone, may souvenir shop zone, fashion and beauty zone, and my gold and jewelry zone. Meron din silang food court guys on the 6th floor where you can see different Thai foods and cuisine, at halos na dito na lahat. But let me tell you guys na may rush hour din sila, which is from 12 noon to 2 PM, where sobrang daming tao dito, lalo na ng mga office days from Monday to Friday. Halos lahat ng employees sa mall dito na kumakain. And then meron din silang grocery guys na Tops Market, which you can also buy your pasalubong. Dito nga pala ako guys nag-grocery most of the time kapag may mga kulang ako. And in fairness naman, mura lang din dito. Mura nga dito. Now, in front of the MBK Center, we have the Siamscape guys, bago lang to, they have a nice view deck, and then they also have Starbucks. Yun yung pinupuntahan nila dito, guys. This building, guys, was built 2021 at kilala sa Mala Cathedral style look ng building. This is a 25-floor building that consists of office floors, education and learning hub, beauty and wellness scape, parking, foodscape, retail, and skyscape, or yung kanilang view deck where you can see the panoramic view of Siam. They also have what they call Illuscape from 4th floor to 7th floor, which is a cool and unique installation art na pwede kayo mag-picture-picture. Alright guys, so nandito tayo sa loob ng Siamscape and paakyat tayo guys ng 10th floor kung nasa yung kanilang skyscape floor. We're not yet sa Siam's skyscape floor, but look at this. Sobrang malamig dito guys, so kung nainitan kayo sa labas, then punta lang kayo dito para magpa-refresh. So meron ditong yogurt shop, merong K-Bank, merong 7-Eleven, ayan. Tapos dito guys is, I think, area where you can stay. Oh, nakakatuwa. So this floor guys, they called it LAMP, L-A-M-P, short for Learning and Meeting Place. In fairness, o diba, nakakatuwa lang na may pagganito si Siamscape. Diba? Wala kasing ganyan guys sa atin. Kasi madamot sa spaces yung mga mall sa atin. They usually like put some shops or restaurants din sa mga empty spaces. Tsaka malamig dito guys, in fairness. Every floor. So here we are. Nandito na tayo sa 10th floor. And this floor guys, they called it Skyscape. Ayan. Skyscape. And they have coffee shop here guys. It smells good. Look at this guys. We are now on the 10th floor of Siamscape. O diba, lakas maka rooftop venue. So here we go. I'll give you a quick tour. So ayan guys, and again nandito tayo sa 10th floor ng Siamscape. Nakaka-amaze lang, meron silang ganitong floor dedicated for an open area where you can see the view of the city. And I think meron naman ganito sa atin, sa mga mall sa atin. And you can stay here. Ayan, sobrang maganda yung weather and nakaka-relax yung hangin. In fairness naman, mahangin dito guys. Yun nga lang kasi naglalakad-lakad ako kaya medyo pinagpawisan pa tayo ulit. Good thing guys, merong elevator. So from 10th floor, mag-elevator na lang tayo going down to the 2nd floor. Tapos tatawid ulit tayo ng MBK. Tapos lalabas, then tatawid tayo ng Siam Paragon. See you guys later. Now, hindi lang masyadong kita guys, pero malapit lang. We have the Siam Center over here. Central World over there. And then sa tapat ng Central World, alam nyo naman, which is the Big C Supermarket. Then Siam Paragon, and here is the Siam Discovery, as you can see. Now the museum guys, we have museum here, the Bangkok Arts and Cultural Center, which is this white wall. Meron na siyang daanan dito guys, ayun, kung mapapansin nyo. And take note that that museum is free admission or free of charge. This museum guys is closed every Monday. So today guys is Sunday. So siguro we will have like a quick view of the museum. Alright guys, so we are done here sa Bangkok Arts and Cultural Center. Now we are going to Siam Paragon, which is yung main tour natin for today's video. We are not going anymore guys sa Bangkok, Siam Discovery and Siam Square. So gagawin natin, since ano naman siya, parang Shangri-La Mall, more on luxury brands, shops, restaurant, ganyan. Coming from Bangkok Art and Cultural Center, we are going to ride the BTS station guys, National Stadium, going to Siam BTS station. So one station lang naman, like pagsakay mo wala pang 1 minute nandun ka na. Yun nga lang, kanina pa ako naglalakad-lakad, so why not let's try the BTS. Wala namang masama, diba? So ayun, so we are done sa MBK Center. I'd show you around. We are done sa Siamscape, and then we also had a quick view or tour ng Bangkok Arts and Cultural Center. Now we are heading to Siam Paragon. And by the way guys, yung mga station pala dito, nakakatuwa, mga convenience store talaga. May Lawson, merong Turtle, and many more. So anyway, going back, as what I mentioned a while ago sa intro natin, na you don't need to go far from Siam to experience and taste the Michelin star or Michelin guide restaurant here sa Bangkok. And now we are going to Siam Paragon, because did you know na Siam Paragon has like 10 plus, again 10 plus store or restaurant that has a Michelin star. So we are going to try some of them. Okay guys, so National Stadium, and on a Sunday afternoon. And as you can see guys, as what I've mentioned sa mga previous vlogs ko, na dito pag rush hour talaga guys, rush hour. Pero sa train may disiplina yung mga tao. Then pag weekends, ayan, wala masyadong tao guys. Siam Discovery. Next station, Siam. Interchange with Sukhumvit line. So nilagpasan na natin guys yung Siam Discovery, Siam Center. Now ang drop natin ng mismong Siam BTS station ay sa Siam Paragon. And again, I'm so excited since pinagod ko talaga sarili ko guys. I'm gutom much talaga. So we're gonna try some lang some of the Michelin store guys. Hindi natin try yung 10 plus na yun. So depende kung ano yung nami-miss ko. Alright, so this is it. So guys, we are now here sa Siam BTS station platform where you can interchange line. So ayan. So kanina guys, on the way here, wala pang 1 minute. So nadaanan natin ang Siam Discovery, Siam Center, and now we are going to Siam Paragon. Ano yan guys? 3 mall na magkakatabi. And iba-iba lang yung name. Aside from Lawson na convenience store, meron din ditong Turtle na they almost have the same products and items ng 7-Eleven. So welcome to Siam Paragon. And because of the shooting incident guys that had happened last year, dito yun sa mall na yun, and medyo naging strict sila lalo sa pag-check ng mga bags, kaya please cooperate na lang. So now, let's look for the food court kung saan tayo ilalapang. Kapag pumasok kayo dito, galing kayong nag-exit kayo ng BTS Siam, ito na yung food court nila guys. Sa ibaba lang na floor, yung Gourmet Eats. Look for the Gourmet Eats. Ito yung kanilang food court dito. And as you can see guys, there's a lot of people. So anong oras na ba? Wait lang. Oh, it's 1 p.m. It's already past lunch. Ang arte, diba? so anyway, ayun guys. So, as what I've mentioned guys, na this mall or this Gourmet Eats floor has like 10 plus Michelin star guide restaurant or shops and stall. Now let's look. Meron akong naay na food dito. Medyo marami pang tao guys kasi 1 p.m. pa lang. So marami pa kumakain. Hindi ko lang alam kung kailangan ng cash or card. Malalaman nyo guys na Michelin guide or Michelin star yung isang resto or isang stall, food stall if merong nakalagay na Michelin. Alright, so card counter. So I think, ayan, card counter tayo guys. Papalit tayo ng mga 500 baht ulit. Ayan. Ayan guys, papalit tayo. Siguro mga 500 baht. Para hindi naman tayo tipid mode sa pagkain. 500. Thank you. Hi guys. Gourmet Eats. Ang laman is 500 para hindi tayo magtipid mode. So guys, kung maraming tao dito, meaning masasarap yung food dito. Hindi katulad sa atin na kapag maraming tao is just because of the hype or the trend. Pero hindi mo naman alam kung masarap or hindi. So anyway, may side comment talaga. So let's go. Let's look for those Michelin star food stall. Oh, yung sasarap guys. Dito palagay sa part na to yung mga Michelin star food stall, and as you can see medyo maraming tao kaya mahirap maghanap ng upuan lalo na kung mag-isa kayo. So I would suggest if ever may kasama kayo, pwedeng may mauna sa inyong umorder habang meron din nag-aabang ng mga matatapos na or mababakanting upuan. Hello. Tofu. How much? 80 baht.
One set 80 baht.
Mix, can I have a mix? Okay, one.
Eat here, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Tofu, spring roll, radish, taro, corn, and... Dito pala guys, hindi lahat ng food stall sa food court ay tumatanggap ng card. Cash sila sa part na to. And yung naturo ko kanina kung saan yung mga Michelin star food stall, doon nyo lang magagamit yung mga card din nyo.
Oh, sorry for the card. This side.
Okay,
only cash, yeah.
No problem. Here you go. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal. Bye-bye.
Thank you. So we're gonna look for a place to stay guys. Na-corner lang ako guys ni ate, pero anyway. So itong nasa likod ko, itong side guys, itong side, it's more on cash basis. Tapos itong card, kaya may card center dito or card counter, dito siya for this side, para at least alam nyo na. Okay, so yan, itong side ang card, this side is cash.
A few moments later.
Guys, masarap. 80 baht lang. Mix na yun. Medyo sinipon tayo sa anghang, pero masarap yung sauce. Tapos fresh talaga, crunchy, freshly cooked. bili muna tayo ng Tipsamay. Tipsamay guys for the pad thai. Alright guys, so we are done with the Tipsamay. Balikan na lang natin. And now let's get a drink. Syempre, let's try their Thai milk tea. 1 Thai milk tea ice and 1 water.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so finally after mga 30 to 40 minutes na lakaran here sa Siam Paragon Food Court, I was able to get a chair, a table pala. So anyway, i-recap ko lang kayo kung ano yung mga nabili natin. Medyo madami-dami guys. Nakakatuwa. Diba sabi ko sa inyo kanina na i-enjoy natin yung food natin today. So first I have the milk tea, tapos may water na rin. Tapos guys, pad thai from Tipsamay with combo with the salad. And guys, kausay with chicken. This is really nice. By looking at it pa lang. And last but not the least guys, fried tofu and fried corn. So of course, dito muna tayo sa kausay with chicken. Yun nga lang, hindi na siya masyado mainit guys kasi una ko siyang in order. Look. Crispy noodles with kausay with chicken and yung chicken. Guys, let me tell you, kausay chicken, super nice. Yung pinaka soup pa lang or yung sabaw, yung noodles na fried, na binabad na lang sa soup. Milk tea. Nasa Thai ka talaga. Nasa Thailand ka. Let's try the fried tofu. Wala makakaiba. Fried tofu lang. Pero yung sauce niya guys, may chili, may peanuts, and honey. Parang nakakatikim ako ng matamis-tamis. Tapos fried corn. Ang sarap guys yung sauce. So parang literal na fried tofu lang at saka fried corn. Pero yung sauce yung nagpasarap. Yung sauce yung nagdala guys. Itong Siam Paragon, the food court, yung Gourmet Eats, heaven. Pero compare sa Terminal 21, MBK, mas mura dun guys. Pero dito kasi, most of the stores, sabi ko nga sa inyo, food stall here are Michelin guide. You just need to go here guys. You will be amazed. Ang dami ng food choices. And ang tip ko lang, huwag siguro kayo pupunta dito ng mga lunch time or dinner time kasi expect nyo talagang dinadagsa ng tao. So kanina dumating ako dito mga past 1 PM, marami pang tao pero mga parang since naglalakad-lakad pa lang dito ako, naghahanap-hanapan, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung kakainin ko. Then maya-maya parang nagkakaroon na ng mga vacant seat and tables. So mahirap guys humanap ng vacant seat lalo na kung mag-isa ka kasi hindi mo pwedeng iwan yung gamit mo tsaka yung food. And so yun, good thing meron akong nakitang paalis, then pumesto na ako agad. And again guys, don't compare of course yung lasa siguro, or I'm not sure, iba pa rin kasi kung itatry nyo yung mga restaurant or shops na to sa mga OG places nila. Pero dito pa lang guys, wala naman siguro kakaiba sa lasa. It's still the same kahit sa mga OG place or OG location ng mga Michelin star guide na restaurant or store na to. Pero in fairness, hindi pa ako tapos pero para ako nasa heaven. Manghang guys, hindi nyo na kailangan ng chili sauce or chili flakes. Masarap talaga guys. So guys, ganito rin ba kayo sa chicken? Simot sarap. Oy. Simot sarap. Chicken na lang yan. Buto na lang ng chicken na tira. Alright. So guys, on to our next meal. Pad Thai. Pad Thai, guys. Pad Thai ng Tip Samay. Believe me or not, nakakagigil yung lasa. Kasi guys, hindi sa pagiging OA, hindi ko naman ito madalas natitikman sa Pilipinas. I think once a year lang or even like bakang wala pa. So kaya pag bumabalik ako sa Thailand, talagang sinusulit ko. Tip Samay is the OG. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, wala na masyado. Ay, konti na lang yung ano, hindi na agawan ng upuan unlike kanina. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo may mga bakanting upuan na. Pero guys, nako, guys, palagi akong nagpupunta ng Bangkok, Thailand, and first time kong tikman yung Pad Thai ng Tip Samay. Grabe, nakaka-addict. So bali yung Pad Thai pala guys, combination ng noodles, may bean sprouts, may parang ham, tapos egg, ayan, bell pepper, and shrimp. Heaven. Parang gusto ko matulog. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam, yung satisfied ka. Yun, pagkakain kayo dito, 100% satisfaction yung may experience nyo. Ang sarap ng food, ang sarap itulog. So I think that's the end of our video for today guys. I hope nasarap pa kayo sa pinakita ko. I hope may matutunan kayo sa mga mall tour natin kanina. So kung first time yun sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official. Hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlog natin. And more positivity, more fun. Enjoy life guys. Thank you so much. See you on my next travel vlog.